Let's discuss how to define customer service standards for rolling service operations team. To define customer service standards for rolling service operations teams, you can follow these steps. First step is to begin identifying the expectations of your customers. This may involve analyzing customer feedback, conducting surveys, and studying industry benchmarks to determine what your customers expect in terms of service quality. Once you have identified customer expectations, define the service objectives that your rolling service operations team should aim to achieve. These objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Thereafter, identify the metrics you will use to measure the performance of your rolling service operations team. These metrics may include response time, resolution time, first-time fix rate, customer satisfaction, and others. We need to establish the communication channels that your rolling service operations team will use to communicate with customers. This may include phone, email, chat, or in-person interactions. We need to develop a service delivery process that outlines the steps your rolling service operations team will take to deliver high-quality service to customers. This process should be consistent, efficient, and effective. We need to train your rolling service operations team on the service standards and metrics you have defined, as well as the service delivery process. Provide your team with the necessary tools and resources to deliver high-quality service, such as customer relationship management software or mobile devices with real-time access to customer data. Last but not the least, we need to regularly monitor and evaluate the performance of your rolling service operations team against the service standards and metrics you have defined. Use the insights gained from this process to continuously improve service delivery and ensure that your team is meeting customer expectations. By defining customer service standards for your rolling service operations team, you can ensure that your team is providing high-quality service that meets the needs of your customers. This can lead to improved customer satisfaction, increased loyalty, and ultimately, better business results. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, please get in touch for any quick, managed business process and IT consulting needs.